online class. So I have a class. Once I'm done, then I have to go to the kitchen.
Hi darlings, so welcome back to the channel with another video. So yeah, today's video I am having an online lectures and I decided to video for you guys to see what I go through as a mom and a student and a worker without a study leave. Okay, so yeah,
Take my book.
going to pick up my book and then I continue the class. So if you are new to the channel, you are warmly welcome. Thank you so much for joining. Please do subscribe and be part of this beautiful and amazing family. And please give me a thumbs up to like the video for me, okay? All right.
Isha. Go and bring it. Go and bring it and come and do it here, okay? So they're also doing their work at the hall. I needed my peace, so I'm here. I don't want to go and join them. She's come to tell me that she's doing her coloring and they're saying it's not nice. So I've asked her to go and bring, so she'll come and do it here. So I get my peace of mind and also focus on my. You have come. Come and lie. You didn't bring your plenty colors. You should have brought it. Have you finished with the other ones?
Yes. I'm doing a dress up.
You manage it. Mm. So you didn't bring the other one. I told Daddy to take it for you, but I want it.
Hairdresser.
Or I should get you. Or you manage this one.
I manage this one.
You manage it.
Yes.
Okay.
And then can you bring it so that when I'm going to color, then you give it to me.
I forgot. Where do you didn't remember to take it? Yeah. Where is my airpod?
It's a further.
So far, I had to use my earpod because this lady too was here doing her own stuff. She was also doing her homework, so I needed to, use my earpod so I don't distract her. And look at her. This girl can color. I'm gonna show you the outcome of it. So let me leave you guys to enjoy the video, okay? So far, I'm offing my Bluetooth so you can also hear what I am doing, okay?
Sometimes because they suffer to get employment, it's like anything goes. They have suffered and suffered, and this is the one who is offering a job. So regardless of whatever, we say, let me take it like that. And because of that, others are also using that to exploit them.
Mama, this fella.
I'm in class, please. I will not buy. I'm in class. When a person with disability is a
So guys, that was the lecturer lecturing here, and little mama too is busy with her coloring. Guys, are you seeing what I am seeing? This girl can color, so I will show you the end of what she's also doing. Okay, yeah, let me keep quiet so you guys will enjoy. But please, if you've been watching till this time, thank you so much. Please do like the video for me, and if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe for me. Okay, thank you so much.
If he has hearing impairment, they must get a sign language interpreter there in the court to interpret every word from the judge. You see, so this is what this act is talking about, that they must be involved in the judicial proceedings. The adjudicating body shall take into account the condition of the person with disability and provide appropriate facilities that enable the PWD to participate effectively in the proceedings, so to get to the particular court. So this is about being party to judicial proceedings. Then access to public places. The owner or occupier place is accessible and available for use by PWDs. So if you have prepared a joint or a restaurant or any other place, it could be, it must be accessible to persons with disability. Okay. So it must be made accessible. Another aspect of the accessibility is where the person puts in the necessary facility. I think this is a repetition. This one is about the owner. So he provides service to the shall put in place the necessary social welfare through the ministry, the center.
That's beautiful. Hey, but you are good at this coloring, no? Wow, let me start from here. Wow. Mama, you color really nice. You are good at this, darling. Wow. Hey, maybe you did this.
Yes.
Wow. Hey, wow, wow, wow. I love it. Hey. Oh, this is nice. Maybe because you like pepper on tea. Hey, pepper face. Oh.
And look at this.
Happy birthday. Yeah, it's nice. Wow, this is nice. Guys, rate my girl for me. She's very good when it comes to coloring. Oh. Very good. May I? Excuse me. You color so well. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at this. Why are they? Why are they? We don't color the blue. Wow. Look at this. Ma, if not done here. Here. Nah. Have you seen? It's nice. Oh, so it's a hairdresser. And you've written. Oh, baby, where are you? Mama, give me high five. Give me. Why are there, Papa? You spelt the hairdresser yourself. Wow. The colors are nice. Wow, Eka. So far, rate my princess for me. On a scale of 1 to 10, what are you going to give her? I think she has done really good. So let's comment down below at the comment sections, okay?
Didn't say you should color this one.
And she said she color this one.
Are you done with your other homework? Yeah? You are done. Okay. So put this one here. I'm going to bring the other ones and let me see. Right.
Okay.
But if you are finished there, you go and watch cartoons at the hall. Let me also finish my class, okay?
Okay. I want to stay and watch you.
Please on the air condition for.
I can't.
Press it.
Yeah.
Yes. Press. Hey, the bag will follow. The bag will follow. Hey. You've done well, yeah?
Look this.
Your pencil case.
Look at the back. Okay.
Mama, you are disturbing me. Oh. If you are finished with your work, go and let me continue my own. Me, I'm not done. Still on it.
Okay.
Mama, I've captured it already. They have seen your work.
Look at this.
I have captured. See me, Kadaba.
That is.
The one you did. This one.
Look at this one.
I said I have captured. Have you seen?
This one should be.
Me trying you now that why are you? You have done well. I know you did it. Why? Eh? Mama, please let me concentrate on my work.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.